Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to discuss about AGNEL School of Law. So today we'll see how many seats are available in this college, what is the admission process of this college, and how much score is required in Maharashtra Law CET entrance examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Navi Mumbai, which is in Thane, and this college is affiliated to the University of Mumbai. Now talking about the number of seats available, so for 3 years LLB program, this college offers 60 seats, and also for 5 years integrated LLB program, this college offers 60 seats. So now talking about the expected score required in 2021 examination. So if you are targeting this law college, so for 3 years LLB program, you need to score more than 96 marks out of 150 marks, and for 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to score more than 98 marks out of 150 marks to get admission in this college. In case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download this application from Play Store, and also the application link is available in the description box. You can download this application and attempt this free mock test and can come to know your preparation level. Now talking about the admission process. So for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. And for 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. The next step is to register yourself for the examination. उसके बाद आपको मिलता है hall ticket. Hall ticket में examination center की details होती है. You need to go to the examination center and give this online examination. उसके बाद आता है result, and on the basis of result एक online centralized admission process होता है जिसको हम cap round भी कहते हैं, wherein we are supposed to select the college preferences, and on the basis of that preferences we are allocated one college. आपको वो college में जाके document submission and सब करना है, and finally you get admission in that particular law college. So this was the admission process. So in case if you have any doubts or any questions, you can put your question in the comment section. Also you can contact us on 8383818888. And in case if you have not started your preparation, you can start your preparation for Maharashtra Law CET entrance examination with our classes. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET Law examination. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We provide video lectures. We provide MOOCs as well as mock test. Our application is available on Play Store as well as on Apple Store. So you can download this application and attempt the mock test and get an idea about your preparation level. So if you want to know more about this Maharashtra Law CET entrance examination, or you want to know anything about any other college, so you can contact us on this number. You can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much.